Let's test a mobile prototype on Betafi. We will start by creating a project by entering the relevant details and inviting our colleagues to collaborate. So, what is a project? It is essentially a group of sessions with a similar outline. The first step is to import your prototype or live website by simply pasting the link. Betafi is integrated with both Figma and Adobe XD. The next step is to define the scenarios and tasks for the study. During the live session, we will be able to collect usability stats for each task. Next, you can add instant tags to the project. These are used to mark key themes with a single click. A project setup needs to be done once and is shared for all sessions within that project. Once the project is created, the next step is to start a session. You can set up a session by clicking on the plus icon and filling up the relevant details. You can start the session now or schedule it for later. The participant joins by clicking on the URL which you provide them. For a web prototype, they will have to download a Chrome extension and a Betafi application for mobile prototypes. In the live session, you can share your prototypes whenever you want. You can share the associated scenarios and tasks. To collect the statistics for each task, the participant feed and their taps and touches will be visible throughout the session. You can also take timestamped notes, instantly tag insights and mark aha moments. You have an option to mark the success of each task. After the session is completed, Betafi automatically transcribes the whole conversation. Collected usability statistics are visible for each task. All the notes made during call are available with their timestamps. New notes can also be added. It's simple to make shorter clips from the session. These clips can be downloaded, embedded, and shared through a public link. The combined statistics for multiple sessions are available in various formats. You can view and filter notes and clips across multiple sessions for effective synthesis. You can also export all of these to Miro.